Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm excited to dive into a game-changing innovation in the world of digital art and blockchain technology, NFT Collection Maker. Developed by the brilliant mind of Andrew Darius, NFT Collection Maker is a revolutionary software that's set to transform the way artists and entrepreneurs engage with NFTs. What makes this tool stand out? Well, it's the first of its kind to offer a seamless, end-to-end solution for creating and selling NFT collections. With its proprietary TTC AI technology, NFT Collection Maker simplifies the process of generating unique artworks. Whether you're an artist looking to showcase your creativity or an entrepreneur seeking to capitalize on the booming NFT market, this software has got you covered. But here's the kicker: NFT Collection Maker doesn't just stop at creation. It streamlines the deployment process by integrating with blockchain networks like Ethereum. That means you can easily deploy your NFTs and start monetizing your art with just a few clicks. What I love most about NFT Collection Maker is its accessibility. It's designed to be user-friendly, making it perfect for artists and entrepreneurs of all levels. Plus, with detailed tutorials and access to a secret alpha group, you'll have all the support you need to succeed in the crypto art world. So, if you're ready to take your art to the next level and capitalize on the growing NFT economy, look no further than NFT Collection Maker. Don't miss out on this opportunity to revolutionize your creative journey. Get your hands on NFT Collection Maker today and join the future of digital art. Click the link in the description for more details. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next video.